Today I'm going to go over how we can generate 50 home renovation leads in under 31 days. I'm going to be showing you real results and exactly how I got this done. I go to the ad section over here. You see I have this ad running. It says on right here. And if we go over to see how many leads we got so far, just click on this. It says 6, but that's for yesterday and the day before. So if we actually click on it, as you can see here, it says 7 leads. So that's how many leads we got with this campaign. And the cost per result averaged around $10. And so far we spent $57 on this campaign. And also we ran this campaign for only 4 days now. So if I just pull up my calculator right here, I generated 7 leads within 4 days. Now if we take 31 days, which is a month time, and then we divide that by 4, that means that I could do that 7.75 times in a month. So then we'll times that by the 7 leads that we got in that amount of time. And that means I could generate 54 leads in 31 days. So now I'm going to show you my actual creative and campaign that I made for this ad. So here's the actual campaign. There's no special ad category here. The campaign objective was leads. We did not do A and B testing, and we have Advantage campaign budget on, and the daily budget here, as it says, was $20 a day. So if we go to the actual ad set over here on the left side, the conversion that we used was instant forms. So it's just a lead form that the leads filled out, and then it sent the leads to my phone, so then I could just email them or call them. And I'll show you exactly what my lead form was later in this video. So here's the Facebook page, and if we scroll down here, I don't have dynamic creative on, so that means I just have one creative. I didn't do a bunch. Right here's my audience. I chose Canada and the United States. My minimum age is 18. And I targeted ages 18 to 55 with all genders. And here's my detailed targeting. It's not too much. The interests are renovation, home improvement, home renovation, or home construction. And then this also must match interests in home improvement or business. Because my campaign is to generate home renovation clients, but what I would do for you is generate home renovation leads. So that means that I could get you more jobs. So if you want to book a call below, the link is down below, and I could guarantee you 20 leads within 31 days, or money back guaranteed. That's just about it for the ad set. Now if we actually go to the ad creative, we have the Facebook and Instagram accounts it's hooked up to. We did a single image or video. The ad creative here is get 20 plus new renovation leads guaranteed. And then the call to action is learn more. For my primary text, I did 4 options. So Facebook will actually try out different options and whatever one works best, it'll actually do most of the time. Right here's the headlines. That's what pops up right over here on the right. So that's right next to the learn more button. So I put get more renovation leads and get 20 plus renovation leads. And then a description is actually not too important because that's down here and most people will not see the whole thing anyway. Again, the call to action is learn more. You could also do get quote or get offer. Those are really good ones for home improvement. So right here's my lead form. So as you can see here, apparently now I got 8 leads. So that's pretty cool. So this is what it would look like once they click on the form. It would say, we get renovation companies more leads. Fill out this form below and a team member will get back to you within 24 hours. And then we just have a few questions here. It says, do you have a home renovation / home improvement business? If they click yes, it'll bring them to the next question, and if they click no, it'll just exit them out of the form and bring them to my website. Then we have, what is your average monthly revenue? This is important. If it's 0 to 5K, it'll just, again, X them out of the form because we don't take any clients that are making less than 5,000 because they won't have a big enough budget. But anything above that, it'll send them to the next question. And if we look here, then they put in their contact information, their email, full name, and phone number. And then next, they have to review their information just to make sure it's correct, because I want to make sure all my leads are real. And so far, all 7 of my leads are real. And I actually contacted all of them, and 5 of them got back to me and are interested. So then once you submit it, it just brings you to this page and it says thanks, you're all set, and they can either view my website or just X out and go back to Facebook. You'll have to create one of those just like this and just make it look a little bit like mine, but instead of targeting home improvement businesses, you have to target the client of home improvement businesses. For the tracking, this isn't actually too important. This is the pixel that I have set up. I have my Ocean Break Media website pixel, so that means when someone goes to this website, this is my website here, that means that it'll track that link click, and then it'll let me know how many people clicked on my websites, and also it'll tell me how many people took an action. Like if they click services here, that could be a conversion, or if they hit speak with our team, that brings us to the Calendly call link. This is where people can also book a call. So I have some conversions set up for that, but it's not too important since I'm doing the lead form. The only reason it is important is because after they fill out the lead form, they can actually go to my website. And that is basically it for the ad. It's a very simple ad, but yet very effective. Like I said earlier, this generated me 7 leads, as you can see here, for a cost of only $57. So it's actually very simple to do, and it's very effective. So if you want to get leads, just copy most of what I've done, but just make sure obviously it's targeted towards home improvement clients, so people that want to get remodeling or renovation done. And then you'll see results like this. And if you want help doing that, that's actually what I do. I own a marketing agency, Ocean Break Media, and you can click the link below to book a call with us. And then you can just pick a time. It'll bring you to a Google Meet, so it's a video call, so I can show you other real results that I got for clients. I hope you found some value out of this video. Maybe you can subscribe if you'd like, and then turn on notifications so you can get notified for future uploads.